Thinking about renovating your home in Sarnia-Lambton? Discover the smart upgrades that give you the highest return when it's time to sell. Hi, I'm Kevin Ryan with Blue Coast team at CB Southwest Realty, your trusted real estate experts in Sarnia-Lambton. So whether you're a homeowner planning to sell or an investor boosting property value, we know what buyers in our region are really looking for. So let's talk about the top home renovations that give you the most bang for your buck in the Sarnia-Lambton market. Kitchen remodels. Buyers in Sarnia love functional and modern kitchens. Think new countertops, updated appliances, and clean finishes that appeal to all. You could see up to an 80% ROI here. Bathroom updates, upgraded to double vanities, walk-in showers, and water-saving features. Clean, modern bathrooms often make a big impact. Next, curb appeal. It's all about the first impressions, like a new front door, clean landscaping, and fresh paint can dramatically boost value, sometimes with 100% ROI. Finished basements, adding a rec room, a guest suite, or home office appeals to families and remote work. Energy-efficient upgrades like new windows, insulation, and HVAC improvements are super smart. They save energy, reduce utility costs, and attract today's eco-conscious buyers. Flooring replacements, ditch out that old carpet. Install modern, durable flooring that flows throughout the home. It's one of the easiest ways to make a big visual upgrade. And think about open concept layouts. Removing walls between kitchen and living room areas create light, space, and connection. Things buyers love in a family-friendly neighborhood. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about the Sarnia real estate market, or you're thinking about buying or selling, don't guess, get clarity. Connect with the Blue Coast team at CB Southwest today and welcome home to the Blue Coast.